Yeah, so I mean, and I thought we could do it a little bit differently. And you've driven this point very well throughout the day, essentially. And you've driven the utility of the GPET. You spoke about the CAT. And I think what you also highlighted it very well is that the GPET is not just a retrospective tool to validate competency in polypectomy, but rather trainees should utilize it as a prospective tool and take the CAT with them into the endoscopy room, put the CAT on their shoulders, and use what's in the GPET to actually better technique, not just retrospectively use GPET to assess competency. And the more you do GPET with your trainer, the more you'll be aware of the components within the GPET, and as you're doing a polypectomy, you'll be aware of those components and focus on them and try and have meticulous technique and master each of those components. And that, I think, is the power of the GPAT, not just to validate competency, but to improve competency. So like you said, take the CAT with you and put the CAT on your shoulder and think about the components and use it. So this is it's a probably an SMSA 3 poly. It wasn't very difficult. But I'm not sure how you want to attack it. If you want to maybe look at the GPAT first and then look at the individual components in the video. So essentially do the reverse of what we've done for the other cases where we first did a case and then looked at the GPAT.
Guys, for me, good. What do you want to do, Vikash? Go ahead.
Okay. So I mean, let's essentially start, the global. Let's leave out for now. Maybe just the one aspect of global that we can look at in